About 5 years ago, I came back from vacation and I had a full battery of blood tests. And I was diagnosed as a diabetic. And in 2 weeks, I took a massive amount of magnesium and I was no longer a diabetic. And I've tested my blood sugar levels through the years. I have a test kit at home. And 2 years ago, when I was testing regularly, my fasting glucose levels were around 100, which is not diabetic, but pre-diabetic. The higher your glucose levels are in the blood, the more problems you're going to have. The more damage you're going to have to your vascular system, the greater the chance you're going to have insulin resistance. But in the past year, I haven't worried about it. The other day, I got a new battery and test strips for my blood sugar testing, and it was 80. My blood sugar level in the morning, not even really fasting. After a cup of coffee, milk and coffee, I tested at 80. And I thought that was fantastic. And I just recently, like today, finished an essay talking about combining magnesium and PPC. PPC, and I published 2 essays about it already. I've been taking it for a few months now, a very purified, concentrated form, is the same material that cell walls are made out of, and even the membranes, the outer and inner membranes of the mitochondria. Mitochondria are the energy factories of the cell. Combination, I believe, through my own testing and experience of the PPC and the magnesium, which I take every day because I'm still treating my vascular condition very successfully, very naturally. And I will be launching probably this week my new site on natural cardiology. I totally avoided, even though I was an emergency patient, I totally avoided stents and all surgery, treating myself with a very powerful, natural protocol. The most recent addition to that protocol is
You've just watched the first minutes of this video. To continue, the full version is available on Substack. The link is in the description.